Okay, so I've had quite a few questions on what the plan is for this little beastie. So there's way too much to even start, but this weekend we're going to, we're gonna work on the brakes and do some valve cover gaskets, start cleaning up the interior and clean out the engine bay, get it at least prettier until we have time to really tear it apart and repaint it and get it real pretty. We'll definitely have to adjust the clutch and figure out brakes. I think I already said that, but yeah, it takes, I gotta put my whole back into it to get it to stop safely. And then otherwise, it's just going to be tearing it apart piece by piece, replacing any of the bodywork that needs TLC. We've got a new floor pan, have a full roll cage. I'm going to learn how to do some welding, and I'm going to have my buddy work on that, Wes. He helped me pick it up. And then between me and B-Ray, there's a lot. There's just a lot. But as I go through it, I will definitely keep you updated and let you see the progress and all of my ungraceful learning moments. So yeah, this weekend is going to be the first time we're taking her out and actually starting to work on her. So I'm sure there will be some updates coming soon. Okay, bye.